Mar kuku motelone chenro mag yiero e duond bura mar ODM dhi nyime sani e kar romo mar Bomas of Kenya. Romo no otelie kod ogai mar ODM Raila Odinga kendo igeno ni odhi loko paro manoket kod duol matayo chenro mag duond burano e wi yiero mag duond burano migeno tim kochakore tarik 27 ma dwe ni. Romo no yuorie kod jotelo duto mag ODM e gwenge duto ma pachoka kod jotelo moyier e bwo duond burano. Eric Owenga nitiere Bomas of Kenya kendo wadhi ir Ben Eric Owenga achiel kachiel mondo nyiswa ne madhi nyime ka koro wawinjane madhi nyime e romo makamano.
Kenyan citizens due to the inability to access healthcare services amidst industrial action by healthcare personnel. The NGC condemns the government's high-handed approach towards peaceful striking and picketing by healthcare workers. It calls upon the government to immediately engage in dialogue with striking medics to facilitate a swift return to work arrangement. Number 7, on the education sector crisis, the NGC voiced indignation at the insensitivity displayed by the Kenya Kwanza regime towards the crisis in the education sector. This includes reductions and delays in the disbursement of capitation funds, inadequate staffing, and insufficient infrastructure at learning institutions. Number 8, endorsement of a party leader for AU Commission chairperson. The NGC has welcomed and officially endorsed the candidacy of the Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, the party leader for the position of chairperson of the Africa Union Commission in the February 2025 elections. Honorable Raila Odinga's leadership qualities, experience, and Pan-Africanist vision are recognized as invaluable assets for fostering the growth of the African continent. The NGC calls upon party members and supporters to demonstrate sobriety and tolerance for the stability and progress of the party under his leadership. Number 9, filling of the vacant positions in the National Executive Committee. The NGC resolved to adopt the report of the National Executive Committee seeking to fill vacant positions in the National Executive Committee pending ratification by the National Delegates Convention. And finally, on harassment of elected leaders, the NGC has raised concern with the continued harassment of leaders by state agencies, including the incessant targeting of the party's deputy chairperson, the Honorable Simba Arati, Governor of Kisii County, and others, including Mwangi Wairia, former governor from Muranga. Yes. We wish to remind this regime that Kenya is a multi-party democracy where citizens are allowed to express themselves and associate freely. Delegates, Your Excellency, those are the resolutions of this NDC, and I would like to now put the question that they be adopted. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Oh, wait.
Manakamano, romo mar kuku mar ODM madhi nyime Bomas of Kenya, jafwambo marwa Eric Owenga nikono kendo olosonwa mathoth mabende wabro winjo